Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy an IPO in Moomoo. If you're looking to invest in a newly launched stock, you've come to the right place. We will walk you through the steps needed to participate in an initial public offering using the Moomoo trading platform. First, ensure you have a Moomoo account set up and funded. If you haven't done this yet, download the Moomoo app from your app store and complete the registration process. Once your account is ready, navigate to the IPO section in the app to view available IPO listings. You'll see upcoming IPOs along with details like the offering price and the number of shares available. Next, select the IPO you are interested in. Review the key information provided, including the company's prospectus, which outlines the business model, financial health, and risks associated with the investment. Once you've made your choice, tap on the IPO you want to buy. You'll need to enter the number of shares you wish to purchase and review any specific conditions or allotments related to the IPO. After entering your purchase details, confirm the transaction. Depending on the demand for the IPO and your request, your order may be allocated partially or in full. Keep an eye on your notifications for status updates on your order. Congratulations! By following these steps, you are now on your way to participating in an IPO using Moomoo.